What's the GPU wave that will come? In this video, I'll let you all know all the important details on your render token that if you watch this video, you'll more probably buy and benefit in the future. Okay, so now let's go straight to this video. Okay, so if you see your render token, you can see that they had a major update on the render network. Okay, so giving a big news for the 4D artist. Okay, so here was the big news. The big news for Cinema 4D artists: using the render network, your rendering process will be streamlined like never before, with rendering network now supporting native C4D files. Okay, so in short, the render network has even expanded the rendering services for 4D artists. First it was kind of a 3D rendering. Now they did a big thing for the 4D artist. Okay, so this was a big update that recently happened on the render network, which in short will help the 4D artist to render it even faster than they had to just keep one computer just to render the files. Now they just throw it on the render network and the render will just render it with an instant, right? Okay, so here's the wave that you'll click the video that you'll need to know for your render token. Okay, if you read the render's Twitter bio, you can see that the render network connects artists looking to render next gen 3D media with near unlimited GPU in a decentralized global network. Okay, so you know that they've already done this and now they've just helped the 4D artist. Okay, so you know that they've done this. They have this, the render network, the GPU in a decentralized global network. It's already done. Okay, so here's what is next. That is a big thing that is coming on the render network. If you read the next line, which is AI GPU next. Okay, so this thing will be a big thing for the render token that is coming in the future that we are going to just talk about. Okay, if you have known what the render founder has talked about, this new feature that they are going to take on is here. I see Gen AI, which is another AI like ChatGPT, being massively useful for scene generation and creative iteration before rendering to these future displays. An open area of research is training Gen AI to output neutral renders as ray instead of pixels. Okay, so here's the new update that the render network is just working on, and Jewel, the founder of Render, has just talked about this on their Telegram. Okay, they've talked. Okay, so now let's go to your render price and see. Okay, so right now you know that your render price is 6.28 cents. This massive pump is not because of this new wave that is coming. This massive pump is because of this, as the Nvidia's earning report for Q2 is going to just happen on 28th August, and right now I'm doing the video on 26th August. Okay, so there are just around 2 days where I'll just release it now, the video on today only, 26th August. I'm recording today only, I'll release it. But you'll know that the render price and all these AI tokens, because of this Nvidia earning, will more probably go on an upward trend, right? As you'll know that the update of render that will happen in the future, buying your render token anywhere where there's a dip on render would be a good opportunity, as you'll know what's going to happen. Okay, so maybe it will come and bounce this support, which is around $5.72. Will more probably buy this token. Okay, if you all want another token that's actually kind of replicating render, then you watch this video next.